What is going up, guys? So today I'm gonna show you cold start on my Hellcat. I added the Corsa exhaust cutback. I'm gonna show you when I flip it around. Here it is. You see that? Look at that Corsa exhaust performance. And yeah, so I'm gonna put it here so you guys can hear how it sounds. Pretty quick video. This is the new mod I did for my Hellcat. So I'm gonna. So here we go. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna turn it on. Let's get it. Okay. And that is the sound of my catback Corsa exhaust. Sounds pretty good. And yeah, I bought it like, I don't know, 2 weeks ago. Didn't really have time to install it, but there was a cool, like, it's called Raise Exhaust Performance. I forgot what's it called, but I put it on the link below if you're like in the San Jose area and you need to do exhaust work, anything installed exhaust stuff. Just go hit them up. They're pretty nice people and they charge me pretty cheap, like pretty affordable. There's places that they didn't want to do it because my Hellcat comes with like the valves and they have to remove them from the old one and put them on new. A lot of places said that they couldn't do that and they were trying to charge me like $350 to $400 to install it. This place charged me $150 to do everything and it turned out great. So that is pretty cool. Now the Hellcat sounds so good. It sounds like a Hellcat, not like before. It sounded good, but it wasn't that loud. Like, it's not loud. I mean, it is loud, but it has that like muscle car tone now. So you know how Hellcats, when you like do a reverse or it's idling, it gives it like truck tone. It sounds so good. But yeah, guys, so that's pretty quick video. I'm gonna be doing more videos on my Hellcat soon. It's just raining, so right now is not a good time to drive this Hellcat because you know what happens. It slips, hydroplane, stuff like that. So of course it's sleeping right now. I'm just turning it on now because I have to turn it on once in a while so it doesn't like die on me or stuff like that. I'm just letting it run a little bit right now. But if you guys want more videos on my exhaust stuff, I'm also gonna be installing my what is it called? I forgot. I'm gonna be installing more stuff on my car later on. But other than that, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this quick exhaust video, how it sounds like. This is your boy Epic Viper signing out. Peace.